Fire spells are a great way to get into elemental magic. They also serve important roles in magic for experienced Wiccans. Fire magic is probably the most common across all our books of shadows. We tend to gravitate to things we can find easily, and candles are cheap and in abundance. But back in ancient times, fire was not easy to create. We often forget this fact. I always use matches, but I'm tempted to go back even farther with flint and steel. There's something unnatural about not needing to strike an object to make the fire at the press of a button. Fire isn't everywhere like the other elements, but it makes its presence known when it's around. It's the warmth when you snuggle up. It's the strength of a volcano, and it's even the terror of uncontrolled wildfires. But it's also the life-giving energy of the sun we see every day. Fire is fundamental to all life on the planet. As you begin or deepen your study of elemental magic, I strongly urge you to start daily gratitude and mindfulness for fire. It will strengthen your bond to the element and allow you more focus in your fire spells. Even something as simple as vocalizing a sun salutation prayer when you wake up or go to bed can go a long way. Put your gratitude out into the world, and you shall receive 3 times back in your fire spells, and truly mean it. Let's review the basics. Properties of fire. Fire spells are often for purifying, sex, cleansing, and energy. Its main color is red. One of the most important things to remember about the element of fire is that the physical manifestation of fire is merely symbolic of this element. The element itself is an energy that exists everywhere. Here are some common properties: herbs, cacti, chili peppers, coffee beans, stones, jasper, lava rocks like pumice, quartz, animals, snakes, lizards, scorpions, bee, season summer, direction south, tools, knives, daggers, athems, instruments, stringed instruments. The most common forms of fire ritual involve burning, heating, candles, and sex. Fire spells can be done anywhere, but you'll probably have the best results near deserts, volcanoes, fireplaces, and bedrooms. A love charm is something you can carry with you to attract love into your life. Take a piece of the coals, fully cooled, from the charred stick and draw 2 interlocking hearts. While you do this, you'll want to start visualizing the type of love you'd like to attract. Is it calm and patient? Is it passionate? Use specific images to conjure the feelings with strength. Don't be embarrassed to use a romantic comedy you love. Remember, the visualization is merely symbolic to conjure the right type of energy inside of you. Set the jasper in the place where the hearts intersect. Now sprinkle the rose petals on the jasper and start to release the love energy from the visualization into the stone. Feel it go into the stone and be sure of your coming love. Wrap the jasper in the paper, including the coals and rose petals. Set it all into the cauldron and light it. As it burns, say, "Love charm from roses make. No longer must my heart ache. I call upon the fire for love. Draw the one who I dream of." Wait for the fire to settle and the contents of the cauldron to cool. Then, take the jasper out and wipe it down. Take the charm with you whenever you are seeking love. You now have the tools for creating your own fire spells or more general Wiccan candle magic.